Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both the product and the model. Shake the AK matte varnish 1-2 minutes. Tiny particles settle, so strain if needed. You must work between 18 and 25 degrees C with humidity under 60% to avoid blooming. Clean the model with isopropyl alcohol so the varnish bonds. Make sure primer is fully cured first. Then thin the varnish for airbrush or ready your brush. Aim for 0.30 5 mm nozzle, and test spray on scrap to confirm flow. You now control how the varnish builds the matte finish. Apply light, overlapping passes to avoid orange peel. Keep the nozzle 10-15 cm from the surface and a 30 to 40 degrees angle for even coverage. Aim for 2 thin coats rather than 1 heavy coat. Wait 15 to 20 minutes between layers at room temperature. If you see pooling, reduce flow or increase distance. Adjust air pressure to about 1.01.5 bar, and for brush application, thin the varnish and lay it in thin layers. Finish by letting the varnish fully cure in a dust-free area for 24 to 48 hours before handling. This ensures durable matting. Once done, inspect for issues. If the surface is tacky, extend curing time and, if safe, raise ambient temperature gently to 25-30 degrees C or use dry airflow to speed solvent evaporation. If you see clouding or blooming, let it dry completely. Then either recoat with a thin layer or very gently polish using a pigment-safe cloth. Make sure to test fixes on a scrap first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.